Hey everyone, let's now look at the number of combinations of our objects taken from a group of n. It's NCR instead of NPR as we use for permutations. The formula is pretty similar, there's just an extra term in the denominator, but we're going to use the calculator anyway. It's important to know when to use NCR versus NPR. Remember, with NPR, the order or the position of the object mattered. When it comes to combinations, the order does not matter. The only thing that matters is that you chose the object, not the order in which you chose it. And so the C in choose can remind you to use NCR. Here's an example. In a certain lottery, you must select 4 numbers in any order. There's a big clue right there. The order doesn't matter. You must select 4 numbers out of 27 correctly to win. You must select 4 out of 27 correctly to win. 2 parts to this. How many ways can 4 numbers be chosen out of 27? And then, what's the probability that you're going to win? So we know that the order doesn't matter. It only matters that we're choosing 4 numbers out of 27. So the way we find that is, remember, you punch in the 27 first, and then you go to math, go over to probability. Now we're using NCR, it's the 3rd item in the list, so let's just punch the 3, and now we enter the 4. So it's always the N number first, and then the R number second. We hit enter. So there's 17,550 different ways to choose 4 numbers out of 27. Now only one winning combination exists. You have to select the winning combination in order to win the prize. So there's only one out of 17,550 ways of winning. So the probability would be the probability of winning would be 1 out of 17,550. Now you can get that by hitting this the inverse key right here, which will get it for you. But if you want to think of it more literally, you're taking 1 divided by 17,550. So what you can do is 1 divided by, and you could key in 17,550, but you could use the calculator and do second function answer, which is just going to take the answer you just got and pop it in the denominator there, and hit enter. And you get 5.69800, so on, e to the negative 5. Now, in the homework, it wants you to leave it, in this case, sometimes it doesn't, but in this example, it wants you to leave it in scientific notation, but round it to the nearest 10th place. So what you'll enter in the homework then is this, 5.7 times 10 to the negative 5, rounding it to the 10th place. So that's how you find combinations. Okay? All right, good luck.